In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up out-of-network billing in SimplePractice. If you work with clients who have insurance you don't bill in-network, setting up out-of-network or OON billing correctly ensures clients have what they need to seek reimbursement and helps you keep clean records. Start by opening your client's profile in SimplePractice. Click Edit, then go to Billing and Insurance. This is the hub for everything related to payer details and how the account will be treated for billing. Taking a moment to set this up carefully now will save you from denials or rework later. Under Insurance Info, click the ++ Insurance Info button. Enter the payer name, member ID, and policyholder information exactly as shown on the front and back of the insurance card. Precision matters here. Match spellings, suffixes, and dates of birth. And be sure you're identifying the correct policyholder if it's someone other than the client. Small discrepancies can cause delays or rejections, so it's worth double-checking before you save. If you've verified the information with the client, note any clarifications in your internal documentation so you have a record of what you confirmed. Next, decide how this client's sessions should be treated by the system. If you plan to submit insurance claims on the client's behalf, make sure the client's billing type is set to insurance instead of self-pay. This setting tells SimplePractice to handle sessions with insurance in mind, which affects how charges appear and allows you to create claims later if that's part of your workflow. If the client is strictly self-pay and you won't submit anything, you can keep it as self-pay. But for reimbursement scenarios where you might provide documentation, insurance is typically the right choice. Finally, decide how you'll deliver out-of-network billing for the client or their insurer. A common approach is to use a superbill. A superbill is a detailed receipt that includes service dates, CPT and diagnosis codes, your practice information, fees, and payments made. Clients submit this document to their insurance for possible reimbursement based on their out-of-network benefits and deductible. Set expectations with your client that reimbursement isn't guaranteed and varies by plan. It's helpful to encourage them to call the number on their card to ask about OON benefits, claim mailing addresses, and any required forms so their submission goes smoothly. Once the information is saved, you're set up for clean, consistent, out-of-network billing in SimplePractice and ready to support your clients with accurate documentation.